To download and install the Bitcoin.com wallet on your mobile device, start by opening the App Store on your device. Either the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Bitcoin.com wallet in the search bar and select the correct app from the search results. The Bitcoin.com wallet app should have the Bitcoin.com logo and be developed by Bitcoin.com. Click the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Depending on your device and internet connection, this may take a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. You will be presented with a welcome screen that explains the features and benefits of the Bitcoin.com wallet. Click the Create Wallet button to start the setup process. You will be asked to choose a wallet name and create a password. Choose a strong and unique password that you will remember, and make sure to store it in a safe place. You will also be given the option to enable two-factor authentication for added security. After creating your wallet, you will be presented with a recovery phrase. This phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your device or forget your password. Make sure to write down the recovery phrase and store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet and steal your funds. Once you have stored your recovery phrase, click the I have saved my recovery phrase button to continue. You will then be presented with a tutorial that explains the features and functions of the Bitcoin.com wallet. Take a few minutes to review the tutorial and understand how to use the app. Finally, you can start using your Bitcoin.com wallet to send and receive Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Make sure to only send funds to trusted recipients and to always verify the recipient's address before sending. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the Bitcoin.com wallet on your mobile device and start using it to manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and store your recovery phrase and password in a safe place.